We have been getting soaking wet all day by this rain, but it's worth it because I feel like the crowds are kind of low. Right now we are on the Skyliner on our way over to Hollywood Studios to go to Sci-Fi for our lunch reservation. We'll do a review, we'll take you guys with us, tell you how we like it. Every time we're coming in hot on those things, I think that we're gonna hit the one in front of us, but then the one behind us is gonna come and hit us. Made it to Sci-Fi. We just checked in for our reservation, so now we're just waiting to be called. At Sci-Fi Dine-In Theater Restaurant, you can do dinner in a show 50s style, featuring all-American cuisine and sci-fi movie clips. At Sci-Fi, you can eat in a car-shaped booth or at one of the road-ready picnic tables that are located at the back of the theater. At this restaurant, it's always showtime. You'll find scrumptious items on the menu and scary clips on the screen. Here is a quick overview of the Sci-Fi menu. You can pause the video at any point to read it more closely, but I will also attach the link to the menu in the video description. For both the lunch and dinner menus at Sci-Fi, it ranges from $15 to $34.99 per adult. For our lunch today, we started off with a vanilla milkshake, and I'm going to tell you exactly how I felt about it. Alright, we're going to try our vanilla milkshake. It was $7.95?
Yep.
$7.95 on the menu. It's got whipped cream and little Mickey sprinkles.
It's too thick.
Tastes like chocolate. Tastes like chocolate. I don't like chocolate.
Yeah, it tastes like the twist.
It tastes like chocolate. You already know I'm super picky, so I just got a grilled cheese and fries, and Robbie got the drive-in barbecue burger, which is the signature blend of beef and house-made seasoning served on a bun topped with 9-hour smoked pork, bourbon bacon jam, cheddar, lettuce, and barbecue sauce. Stay to the end to see how we like it. Alright guys, we got a little rainy review coming to you. We just got done at Sci-Fi, and oh my god, we love that place. It is so good.
So good.
It's so good. The food is always so good. I mean, I every time I go, I only get a grilled cheese because I'm super picky, but I get a grilled cheese. And you get the barbecue bacon burger, or just barbecue
the drive-in barbecue burger.
Drive-in barbecue burger, and it is, I mean, I'm assuming it's good because he finishes it every time. I love the grilled cheese. Another thing, the atmosphere is so good there, so cool. The servers were so nice. They go like above and beyond to be nice, at least from our experience. So nice. The one downside though, every time we go, we like should learn to bring like a blanket. It is freezing in there, and I'm telling you, even on a hot August Florida, Orlando day, it is freezing in there. So yeah, it feels good for the first 5 minutes, but then it is just freezing. Like even today, like we're bundled up because it's cold in December. Freezing, but so good. Now we are heading on to Rock and Roller Coaster to catch a super stretch limousine. What a good ride that is. I was so glad that I was able to film. So I asked the guy before we walked on, because I have like that chest harness, and I said, is it allowed to film? Are we allowed to film with that? And he said yes. So I was super glad because that was my first time filming that ride. So bring y'all the front row POV. Next, we went to the dark side of Hollywood and checked in to the Hollywood Tower Hotel. We stepped directly into the Twilight Zone.
Permanezcan sentados y mantengan sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del elevador en todo momento. Y por favor, vigile a sus niños.
Right? You want that one, right? You know. Got that strapped up.
Welcome back to those of you who made it, and a friendly word of warning, something you won't find in any guidebook. The next time you check into a deserted hotel on the dark side of Hollywood, make sure you know just what kind of vacancy you're filling, or you may find yourself a permanent resident of the Twilight Zone.
We are now heading out of Hollywood Studios and we are getting on a bus to go over to Magic Kingdom. We made it to Magic Kingdom. So this is where we're gonna be hanging out for a little bit. We checked the app and the wait times weren't that bad. So we figured we'd come over here, hop on some rides, and go through some of the stores. Look at how cute the Christmas decorations are. Definitely in the Christmas spirit over here in Magic Kingdom. Still going pretty hard out here, guys, but we're making it. What is this, 3 parks in one day so far?
Yep.
True, we just gotta run over to Animal Kingdom now.
Might as well, right?
So yeah, oh my god, look how cute Main Street looks. Main Street looks so good. We're gonna head over to Haunted Mansion because the wait doesn't look too bad.
Gotta see the HATBOX Ghost.
Yeah, oh god, the rain's just beating us up, guys. It's beating us up. Heading over to Memento Mori's, the store right outside the Haunted Mansion that sells all the Haunted Mansion merch. I love this store. I'm a big fan of the Haunted Mansion, so I cannot wait to go inside and see what they have. The crazy thing, my dad's name is Dave. Dear departed brother Dave. He chased a bear into a cave. It's a candle. It smells good. Scented wax candle. That's it. Put that right down.
Yeah, right.
Down. Is this a lunchbox? we're just looking around in Memento Mori's, and I always love all of the Haunted Mansion things, but I'm not so sure that I love the new Haunted Mansion line, like the cartoonish line. The colors are cool, and I feel like I like more like real authentic, not cartoonish Haunted Mansion things. That's the end of our rainy day in Hollywood Studios and in Magic Kingdom. Thanks for watching.